This is Damon Stevens with Fin Wealth Builders, and today is Tuesday, August 2nd, 2021, and this is a stock market update. Wrapping up our day on Monday. Hopefully Sunday money prep helped you to get ready and give you some trade ideas. There's a lot of them that we posted out there, and 9 out of 10 of them all hit. So that's a pretty good average. And so hopefully you're able to get a piece of that, and you're profitable. We were definitely profitable today as well. So hopefully this finds you well, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Make sure you like our videos so that way we continue bringing these updates to you every day during the week. Finviz, as far as market today, Dow is down 0.28%, NASDAQ up 0.06%, and S&P 500 down 0.18%. So pretty much market was flat. You see Tesla continue to perform with us. They're very bullish now and continue to set the pace. The rest of the things, stocks are pretty neutral. And overall, there was neutral across the board, except for a few financial areas were down. So with the stock of the day was EVK. So we'll cover that real quick. EVK did great job. It opened up around 240, went clear up to $5. And so, if you missed this one, it was okay. They give you a chance to get back in at 374, back up to $6 a share. So, pretty much over 100% today. And then, we're kind of consolidating now here. So we'll see if it bounces out. Again, the rule that we have is, we'll keep it up for 2 weeks to get some spikes. But if it dies down, then we drop it off. So we'll keep an eye on this for future trading. As far as earnings, I talked, Monday wasn't going to do a whole lot. Looking at Mosaic and Solar Edge and some others, didn't see the moves that I was looking for. So Tuesday's the next day. I like Tuesday, and Tuesday and the rest of the week's pretty good. Really interested to see how retail's doing, how the energy sector is doing. So we'll see if there's opportunities to trade those in the morning and also the afternoon. You can see that we've highlighted the ones that we're watching. So give you an idea at least where we think there could be some volatility and some opportunities. So one of the stocks that we had on our Sunday night prep was Align, ALGN, and you can see here that we spiked up and we actually broke over the resistance line that we talked about on Sunday. And so the high today was a little bit over 413, and then leave a little bit of a pullback here. But you can see just a parabolic move with this rest. You just got to be careful. This is a long doji top, so it could be that the market this could be starting to retrace a little bit. So be careful with the line if you're trying to trade it or you're still in trade. Make sure you're booking the profits because we could come back to test these support lines down here. Next one's AMD. AMD, you can see here, this is a 5-minute chart. So you can see just a nice run up today. So if you're AMD or you hadn't got into it and you got in it later, you could just rode that whole thing up. So we'll see if it continues to remain above the 100 moving average here. You can see that it found support here, here, and here, and see if we can continue to keep the bull run going. So that was a great stock to trade today. So just see what it can bring. Tesla continues to rocket. We're definitely on an upward trend. You can see that we continue to make new highs. The high we came in today was 726.94 off of a 682. So huge moves. So awesome. We love Tesla. Love it how it trades every day. Definitely gives you opportunities. HPI, talked about this one as well. This has given us like several spikes over time. And we talked about, that we're kind of this series of getting, 3 or 4 spikes again, and here we are. So, it continues to be bullish, moving up towards the northern direction here. So good stocks to trade. We'll continue trading these stocks and see what else we can do the rest of this week. KLEC was on our Sunday list as well. You can see we have this little, sometimes they call it an island topper when you just have one, but we have actually a big breakup candle, breakdown candle. We have a gap below and a resistance that we didn't hit the top. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. Just be prepared. Might have to fly a little bit on this stock here, up north if it goes, or if it falls back, just make sure you're able to lock those profits in, or if you're going to put this just have a smaller position size. It would be my recommendation. Not necessarily advice you have to follow, but what I would be doing with my trades, and recommending for myself as far as if this does drop. Otis, nice bull run up here, so that continues to trade well for us. Nike kind of, this is an island top. This typically where you have a gap and then you have a little stop, and it's a doji, so it's a reversal candle. So Nike this might be the time for it to pull back a little bit. So just be careful if you're in this stock. Great bull run. We'll see if it's selling down. It might be pausing for a little bit here. BNTX, we've traded like multiple times. It's been on here for a long time. The low of the day was 326.52, the high 353, so rocked it today. Continues to just perform really well. I expect to pull back sometime probably on this stock. It's just kind of elevated so far, but for now, still good, still a good one. Where it's at, let's see. Okay, so Apple kind of pulled back and rest. You can see got lower highs in here. We'll see if it finds support here on the 20, can bounce off. But Apple, not much to report on that. And Myrna, you can see that tried to break through this resistance lines that we had and pull back to the 5. So we'll see if we can get some momentum going, or if it stalls out, we could definitely see some retracement there. And we have a gap down below as well. Carvana, just big old long run. It continues. You can see here dip, check in. Now we're checking in again. So we'll see if we can continue this bull run. But Carvana has done well for us. All right, so next stock, dollar. The dollar, you can see dollar is just kind of consolidating down here above the 200, but kind of flat. We'll see if it remains. VIX started to escalate a little bit up to 1947. It's almost close to that 20. So if it does this, tomorrow could be a pullback. You saw the market kind of pull back towards the end of the day from after being flat. That's where this VIX is coming up. So we got to watch this VIX. If it breaks through this resistance line, might have a down day tomorrow. It is turnaround Tuesday, so whatever is going on this day, which was pretty much neutral to nothing. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Just be careful. SPY, you can see came down, found support. So that's what we want to see, as it stop on that support line and not to break through. So it did a good job of that. We'll see if it can maintain that and move forward tomorrow. The SPY, let's see, it's just another view of the SPY. Triple Qs still very bullish. You had a nice little rally towards the support line, pull back, but everything's still nice and healthy there. Semiconductors could be a little island top here, so just watch for a possible pullback a little bit on that one. IWM, you can see that it pulled down support, but it's looking a little negative. So I think tomorrow could be a down day a little bit, or it doesn't have to be a lot, but it could be some. XLF, you can see that tried to rally up and it failed, and it's just consolidating with the rest of it. Gold popped up, pulled back down. Now it's just kind of resting where it's at. Silver pulled back, and then look at it. You're seeing this live. It's just trying to break back out. So very volatile right now on silver. Bitcoin, you can see that we had a nice little rally up here to try to break through. You get up through this 42, 44 level and failed and came back to retrace. So we'll just continue to keep an eye on Bitcoin. Ethereum, nice run up. Finally a pullback. We expected that. We'll see if that continues to run and pull back and rally up for us. SAVA is one that hit our radar many times, and it hit it late this afternoon. See, it had a nice little run up, basically from 36, clear up to 148 was the highs, from over those last several months. But you can see here today that that we had a large pullback. This is third day, so something to keep an eye on. Make sure that you're staying safe on this one, because we had almost a full retracement on that one. So again, subscribe to our channel. Hopefully this video helps you Tuesday, and stay safe out there.